Hey foodies and small business enthusiasts! Are you running a small home-based fried food business? If yes, let me tell you why a commercial deep fryer from Chef's Deal is an absolute game changer. These fryers are designed for speed and efficiency, helping you serve crispy, delicious food in no time. With high-capacity baskets, you can fry large batches, saving time and delighting your customers. Plus, the professional-grade quality ensures that every bite has that perfect golden crispiness people love. Built for durability, commercial fryers are a long-term investment, capable of handling heavy use without a hitch. They also offer precise temperature control, so you'll never have to worry about overcooked or undercooked food. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to features like removable baskets and oil drainage systems, letting you focus more on cooking and less on scrubbing. From wings to donuts, the versatility of these fryers means you can expand your menu effortlessly. Although it might seem like a big investment up front, the cost efficiency pays off with reduced waste, faster production, and happier customers. Plus, the added safety features like cool touch handles and automatic shutoffs keep your kitchen secure. Lastly, having a professional setup like this boosts your business's credibility, showing customers you mean quality. So, are you ready to take your frying game to the next level? Check out Chef's Deal today and explore their range of commercial deep fryers. The link is in the description. Trust me, your customers will taste the difference.